National Weather Service in Tulsa has
Oh,
issued
God.
a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles south of Okfuskee, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
I was eating.
Expected hazards include ping pong ball size
Oh.
hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Okmulgee, Okemah, Okfuskee, Henrietta, Morris, Newark, Schulter, Grayson, Hoffman, Okmulgee State Park, Faro. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 222 and 243. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern, northeastern, and east central Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for northern Okfuskee